Gold. The precious metal gold. Excuse me if I'm lagging out a little bit, guys. I think that's just a signal where I'm at, but hopefully this you get the point here. But gold is obviously at a very key area of liquidity at the moment, a barrier around 43.50, nice and psychological. In terms of like the structure, when we look at gold, it's still overall in the higher time frame bearish. We could still be at producing a lower high for a lower low, but obviously that's going to be very much dependent on FOMC rate decision today. Now, things are obviously inflationary. We are likely to see higher inflation forecasts from the FOMC. Growth has still been okay. We haven't had a massive slowdown in the US economy. Inflation's the real issue. And you should expect really a hawkish stance from Kevin Warsh today, but you just never know. Sometimes these guys bowing down to external pressure from people such as Trump. But let's see. Obviously, everything, if these probabilities from September, October, November, December increase of a hike probability, that's going to be negative for gold because yields going to be rising. Remember the correlation, negative correlation. If yields are rising, gold comes under pressure because we get capital rotation out from gold and into treasuries on higher rates. So key barrier here at 43.50. If the FOMC is hawkish, this is obviously going to, this will naturally just reject here. I can't say we're going to get much commitment ahead of the FOMC, but naturally, if this is hawkish, we're just going to be heading to the downside and potentially producing a lower low, 40, 4100, 4050, and then obviously further south, 4K and 3.9K are very significant areas of liquidity to the downside. To the upside, if they surprise and they're not hawkish, we're going to be drawn all the way back here, 4450, 4400. You see where we are ranging. Stops are taken out. We'll have a big retest there. Safe trading traders, we've got playbooks for whatever happens. If you want ongoing analysis, trade ideas, all that good stuff, you can check out a link in the description or somewhere in this article. Stay lit, stay blessed. Catch you on the next one.